In a land where the wind whispered secrets, a young boy named Eli lived with his heart yearning for freedom. His most cherished possession was a delicate, vibrant kite, a gift from his late father. One sunny afternoon, Eli decided to set the kite free, hoping it would carry his dreams aloft. With a gentle tug, he released the kite into the sky, watching it dance gracefully in the wind. The kite soared higher, reaching heights Eli could only dream of. But as it reached the zenith, a sudden gust caught it, sending it spiraling towards the ground. Panicking, Eli raced towards the spot where the kite had vanished, his heart heavy with despair. In his frantic search, he stumbled upon an elderly woman, her eyes twinkling with wisdom. "Child," she said, "the wind is not always gentle. It can carry you far, but it can also bring you down. The key is to learn to dance with it." Eli paused, looking at the woman in awe. He picked up the broken kite, its colors faded but not shattered. He realized that, like the kite, his life would face storms, but it was how he handled them that truly mattered. With a newfound determination, Eli repaired his kite, adding a new color, the hue of resilience. The next time he set it free, he danced with the wind, embracing both its gentle and fierce whispers. The kite soared again, a symbol of Eli's spirit, dancing with the wind, not just being carried by it. And as the sun set, Eli learned a lesson he would carry throughout his life, that life, like a kite, required courage, resilience, and the ability to dance with change.